Yo, Charlie, what's up? My name is Fee. Welcome to Personal Kicks. So today we can talk about another classic sneaker from Puma. So yeah, small history about this sneaker. If we all know what happened for 1968 Olympics inside Mexico, we all know this sneaker. So one athlete, his name be Tommy Smith, asked them, call them, say make them come claim them a medal. Now they know they wear a shoe. They know they wear any sneaker. They wear socks, black socks. So Tommy Smith asked them call and say make he come the podium top for a medal. He raised the left shoe. Now he hold no. You know where he hold on. So he raised for the air inside. You know, in silent protest against racial inequality. The shoe he raised in 1968. At that time, be the Puma Suede. Okay, it be the Puma Suede. Where that be the time then released the sneaker, 1968. So at that time too, the material now then they classify as luxury material be suede. Because prior to that, everything else be leather. Then maybe some other materials, but suede be, you know, was considered a luxury material at that time. So it really made the sneaker popular. So even up to date, if you mention classic suede sneakers, okay, even if you mention suede sneakers, everybody, like a lot of people in my mind, they go on the Puma Suede. Because as the name goes, Puma Suede, classic suede, and you know then sense. So yeah, it makes sense. So today this be the sneaker we can talk about. But first of all, make we spy the way the box day. That be the tag, it did the boxing body, every detail they there. The box in the standard Puma green and white box. The top be that. The favorite thing about the box be the under, the size chart with them put for the you know, help you, make you see where your leg fits, see where your leg would be. So yeah, so this be the Puma Suede classic. The entire upper be suede material, as the name go. The upper all be, you know, suede, like even the back suede Puma stripe to go. Even the tongue self be suede. See. So yeah, I mean it be basic sneak, basic design, nothing really you know, going on, nothing crazy, but the history behind the sneaker be what they make what it be. The design be more simple. You go feel wear plus anything. This be the navy and white colorway. So I mean, you know, go figure out how you go feel pull that one off. I mean, I go feel like wear this with navy jeans, some white socks, then the top I go feel maybe something, but I go make sure I go wear some cap where be navy or something where they, you know, complement them. So yeah, this be the sneaker. The tongue gets the Puma tongue. See the Puma, then the cat. The back, the cat there with the emboss in gold. The inscription on the outside to be Puma Suede with the cat, all there for gold, gold text or gold design. The lace be flat nylon lace, flat. So yeah, the Puma stripe it embody to on both sides actually. This side and that side be suede. It come plus one white extra lace. My favorite thing about this sneaker be the inside. I mean, I be some way. To me, it be the, you know, it be the small details where they make how they appreciate something even more. So the fact they don't put leather as lining for the inside there. I mean, you know, they give you that kind of luxury material vibe, that kind of like, I mean, it'd be different. It'd be different, you know. It'd be nice touch to the sneaker. We then do them in white, so they kind of show for the outside to some extent. Where, you know, I just like the inside to get. I don't know. See if you come out down my back. Make I show you the insole for the inside too. So they be navy with a gold Puma pattern. As you see, the way they very cool. So the outsole be, I mean, from the midsole to the outsole all be rubber, very durable. I mean, it be solid. It be really nice. The heel to get a Puma name for there. So yeah, basically this be nothing really special about the design, but the shoe itself, I mean the sneaker in Ankasa be special shoe, so it no be about the design, it be about the history than what the sneaker they stand for. So yeah, guys, thanks you spied the video. I go drop more videos after this one. I beg, make you subscribe, make you like, make you comment what you think about the Puma Suede. I will try to get the black and white, which be the most popular colorway, but until then this be what I get at the moment. So guys, I beg, make you subscribe, make you comment, make you like the video, then yeah, make we grow this channel together. So thanks, see you in the next one.